OBS software is an amazing software. You can show everything in one screen instead of all these office like before. Welcome to my channel. I'm Paul. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell to update next video. Live stream is a good way of social communication for everyone because it can help you to promote personal branding, do marketing, sell product, even you can make fun on that. So it's so amazing about live stream. You can do many things on live stream. You can interact with your friend, with your users in real time. So it's so good. However, there are different ways of live stream. Which one is better for you? What is advantage and disadvantage of that? So in the aspect of technology, I think that there are three ways of live stream you can do now. The first one is using the OBS software and the PC webcam. The second way is to use the OBS software combined with a Canon camera, EOS M50 for example, and combined with an HDMI capture device like Cam Link or a AJA device. And number three is to use a smartphone. Everyone has smartphone, right? So it's very convenient for you. Everyone can do it this way. So I will explain all the three videos. However, today in this video, I only focus on explaining how to use the OBS software and the PC webcam to run the Facebook live stream and YouTube live stream. So look at the screen. I will show you a step by step to do that. It's very easy. Pay attention to it. Very easy. Just follow some simple step and you can online immediately. Okay. Look at the screen right now. So I have the webcam. My webcam, PC webcam in this case is a brand of Genius. Is Genius 1000. The model 1000S is quite good. The frame 1080 is quite good. Okay. Okay, look at screen right now. The first step will be that you need to install the OBS software and go online and search the OBS software on here, right here. The site is obsproject.com. You can search on Google or I can show you a link here. You look at the link here. Okay, and you can download the version for Windows, for Mac, Book, and Linux. Okay, so install the software. Then open the software. Will be like this. The software, OBS software like this. Okay. The next step is that you open the Facebook account. Open the Facebook account and click on live video. Click on live video. So on the screen you can see there are two tabs. The one tab is camera and one tab is connect. We just try both of them to see how does it work. Okay, for camera tab, you click on camera tab and move to the right hand, and you choose the face cam, the webcam in this case, right? Okay, my webcam, you can see moving, right? It's moving. Okay, it's battery wrap power. Okay, I just show you wrap power battery of Canon. And next, you choose the default microphone or the line-in microphone or the face cam, the microphone of face cam. It depends on you, which one you like, whichever you like. And after that, you type something here, the main contents of the live stream, a OBS and webcam PC, for example, and type a title here for you, a title like test live stream OBS and webcam. Okay, so at the right bottom area you see a button go live, and just press here, go live. Yes, it's working now. Okay, so I show you it's moving, right? Yeah, live stream now. Live stream. So I am setting the privacy mode. Only me can watch this live stream. No one can see this live stream. Okay. Okay, so we finished, and try to use another way on that. Okay, done. And you click on live video again, and you, instead of choosing the camera tab, you click on the connect button, connect tab here. Okay, and then you scroll down, and you copy the stream key, here. Okay, copy stream key. And okay, you should type something here. Okay, OBS and PC webcam test, for example. Copy, and then you type a title here. Okay, and you open the OBS software again, and move to the right hand area, and click on the setting. Okay, and click on the tab stream. Oh, sorry, I did not stop the streaming. Yeah. Okay, I stopped streaming, the last streaming, previous streaming, and I click on setting again, and click on the stream, and on the stream key area you paste the stream key. Oh, sorry, I copy again, copy the stream key, and I paste into this area, and then you click on apply, and okay, you cannot see anything yet. So now you go to the plus icon like this, and click on the plus icon, and select the video capture device. You can name anything here, like a face cam. Okay, and press OK. The screen is displayed, and you choose the webcam you connect. Okay, the face cam is OK, and click OK. The display screen can be zoom in and zoom out. You can change the size of the screen as much as you like. Okay, the screen is moving, right? Okay, and the next step is that you click on the start streaming here, start streaming. Okay, and wait for a while. To connect to the Facebook. Yes, it's connected. It's connected already. Okay, moving, right? So now the final step is that you click on the go live button here. Yes, and wait for a while. And it will be online right now. Yes, you're online now, right? Okay, you can see the moving. Right? Can you see it? Okay, internet connection is not good, so it's quite slow. Okay, yes, it's moving like this. And okay, and I finish the live stream here, and you stop the streaming in OBS software. So I have some notes for you. Before and during the stream, you can add additional sources for the streaming screen. So you click on the plus button, the plus icon, right? Then you can add any source you want. For example, display capture. Display capture is to show everything on the screen. You can see here everything on the screen. Okay, everything on the screen will be displayed if you select the display capture. And some more, you can click on the window capture. The window capture is to help you to select particular application. For example, the Chrome in this case. Okay, you can show a particular screen like Chrome or PowerPoint or Word, Excel, like that. Okay, you can change the layer here. The top one will be displayed in the front, and the bottom one will be displayed in behind. Okay, and the good thing about using OBS software and the computer webcam to run live stream is that you can add many screen, many things on one screen on live stream screen. It's very convenient for you, and it's easy for you to set up live stream using OBS software and the PC webcam. However, a small problem here is that if you use the PC webcam, the quality of video is not so high, and you will see the delay motion of the video during the live stream. So is if you don't care much about the slow or delay motion, so I think you can use this way. However, if you pay attention to the high quality video and the 60 frames per second, like that, so I think you need to consider another way. And in the next video, I will show you how to use additional HDMI capture device to create the perfect live stream using the OBS software, Canon Camera EOS M50, and combined with the HDMI capture device. So it's very perfect. It's very perfect. The live stream, the high quality video, and you don't see any delay motion in that. So I hope that you like the video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel to update this video. Thank you for watching, and see you. I'm Paul.